Good day everyone. Today I will explain about the 6 sailings method of navigation. These methods are used by navigators to find ships, position, course, distance, and direction when sailing. The first is plain sailing. Is this the simplest method? It assumes the earth is flat and is used for short distance. The second is parallel sailing, used when the course is due east or west and we measure the distance between longitude. The third is middle latitude sailing. This combines plain and parallel sailing, used when traveling in mid latitudes for better accuracy. The fourth is Mercator sailing. This uses the Mercator chart and is useful for long distance voyage because it accounts for the Earth's curvature. The fifth is the Great Circle sailing. This is used for the shortest distance between 2 points or the Earth's surface, most for long ocean routes. And lastly, the sixth is composite sailing. This combines Great Circle and the ramp line sailing to make navigation both safe and efficient. So those are the 6 sailings method of navigation. Each one helps mariners plan their voyage depending on distance, direction, and purpose. Thank you and safe sailing.